Hey guys, back with another video. My name's NG Gavin. I'm living here in Thailand. I'm an expat from Australia, and one thing that I really wanted to get involved into is the US stock market, but I haven't been able to find a platform or an app that was allowed me to do that until now. See, the challenge is being able to buy these US stocks, but I don't live in America. I don't live in the States. There's always some hurdle that you need to be an American citizen, and it hasn't been friendly for international investors like myself who want to invest in the stock market until now. So I found this really cool app. It's called Stake app. You can find it at hellostake.com.au, and I believe it's also available for the UK, but I know it's definitely available for Australians because I'm using it now. Before you rush over there, don't forget to use my code, because then you'll be able to get one free stock as well. Okay, so why I really like this app, obviously because Australians can now invest in the US stock market, but it allows you to invest just in like fractional stocks. So you don't have to go out and buy household stock names like Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Coca-Cola. You can go out and buy fractions of that stock. So just maybe $10, $15, $20, and you can build your portfolio up over time, and that's why I really like this app. So at your fingertips, you can now actually get this on the Google Play Store or on your iPhone, Apple Store. Download it, get your KYC verified, and then you can fund your account and start buying the stocks. And you'll be actually placing orders which will then be purchased on your behalf, and then you'll be ownership of those stocks or those fractional stocks. So I'm going to show you a demo quickly how to use it, and you're going to love this demo. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm in the app now, and I want to show you how to fund it and how to find stocks. But if you stick to the end of this video, I want to show you a really good stock that I believe is going to go to the moon. I think it's going to make at least a 20x return in the next 5 years. So that is my tip for you if you stick to the end of this video. So once you download the app, use my referral code. You're going to come to this screen here, and then you can then just start exploring with the features down the bottom here, okay? And what we're going to do is we're just going to, obviously do your KYC first. You need to get verified that you're a real person, put in your license or your passport, and then you should be good to go, okay? That process takes about 5 minutes. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on this bottom button here, and then I'll show you how to fund your account. So click on there, and when you come here, you just go to funds and balances. So once you go there, don't worry about upgrading or anything. You can upgrade if you want, but I just use the free upgrade, free account. I'll explain the limitations, but you don't really need it, because if you're going to trade day trade, then you might want to like an upgrade account. But honestly, I don't day trade. I just buy the stock and hold it, so I don't buy it at the most cheapest decimal point price, okay? I just buy it at the market price. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to add some funds to your account to buy the stocks, and you just go here and put add funds, obviously, and the minimum is $10, okay? So you can fund as much as you want or as little as you want. And as you can see here, you can just come up here and just type in the amount that you want, okay? So for example, if you were to put $100, but keep in mind this is an Australian, okay? So it tells you the exchange rate is going to be $64.36, and then what you do is you can just click next, and now it's going to take you to this poly payments. Now if you're in Australia, you'll be familiar with this. All the banks use it, and all you do is you just select your bank that you're with, and then you just click continue, and then it'll just take you to the next screen, which then you have to put your customer ID and all the usual stuff that you do when you log into your account normally with your bank, okay? What will happen is, what Stake does is, there's no trading fees. What they do is when they exchange your Australian dollars to USD, that's where they get that currency conversion. They make a little bit on that, and then that's kind of how they can make the fees for free. You don't have to pay every time that you place a stock order. That's kind of how they do it. So it's very simple to do, very easy to do. Let's go back to the wall. Okay, so if you want to start finding stocks, it's really simple. All you used to do is just go down here and just click on this. And then you can just enter your stock in here, and then you can actually start finding stocks. So let's say, for example, I want to go for Amazon. This will tell you some history. You can scroll down, tell you some news. Obviously, you do your research. You don't do your research on this app. I use Yahoo Finance. That's a really good website for getting information about the stock. And obviously, you have to do your research on it. What happens is, once you, if you want to buy this, I want to show you how to do it. Okay. Let's say, for example, I wanted to buy Amazon stock. Once you're in the stock, which I'm already in here now, you can also click this little thing at the top here and add it to the watch list. So it'll add it to this little eye thing here, and then you can just automatically, when you log in, you can just click on that and you can watch the watch of the stock. Okay, you don't have to keep on going into each one to find the price. So now with Amazon, let's say if I was going to buy it, all I need to do is just go buy, and it's going to pull up this screen. So this is really important because you guys have only got a free account, and so have I. We're not going to be trading. We're just going to buy it and just hold it. Okay. So with this account, the free account only allows you to buy at the market rate or market buy. So you see this limited buy? You just click on that and then just scroll out, and then you just click on market buy. Okay. This is the only way you're going to be able to use this free app, and that just buys it at the market price. Then what you do is, here the amount, this is what you got to do. So for example, let's just say I had some money in here. I've only got $1 up the top here, $1.13 left on here, but let's just say I was going to buy $100 worth. This is the amount that you put it in, $2,557.96. You can just buy it $100, and this is what they call fractional buying. I really like this feature. So then that's it. You just change that to market buy. Put in whatever you want. The minimum is $10, so you can actually put $10 in if you want. There's no fees, so you can just buy $10 at a time if you want. And that's the beauty about it. So then this is the estimate. See how down the bottom here it's got estimated shares, 0.0039. That's what you're going to be buying worth of Amazon. Okay, and this goes into your account, into like a custodial account, and will hold that stock for you, okay, in your name. So obviously, if I had sufficient funds here, the minimum is $10. This would appear green, okay, and then I would just click on that, and then it would then just put the order through to them, and it would just come up as pending. And once it's gone through, it'll just show up in your account, okay. Now, obviously, the stock market has to be open. So if you're placing orders here and the stock market is closed, it's going to be pending. All right. So if it's stock market's open and you just buy the stock, because you're buying at the market buy, it may take a couple of minutes or 15 minutes or whatever. Whenever someone is obviously going to sell that stock, then obviously you're going to be able to buy it. Okay. So remember I said that if you stuck to the end, I would show you this stock that I'm investing in that I really, really love. I think it's going to be a home run. Again, not financial advice. This is just I'm not a stock investor. I just know that this company is going to be going to the moon, and they literally are going to the moon.
Did you know there is a car in space? And the question you're probably thinking is, why? Because Elon Musk wanted it there.
Not SpaceX, I'm talking about Elon's other company. I'm talking about Tesla. All right. So that is my pick for the day. If you just click on this here, Tesla here, okay. So at the moment it's down a little bit because it was it reached an all-time high of $1,000 yesterday, but it's still a bit down. But this, I believe that this company is going to be one of those black swan companies. Okay, it's going to be, there's amazing things coming with Tesla. Obviously, do your research before you invest. This is not financial advice, but I think that this company is literally going to be going to the moon with the new products that come out. Battery Day, the 1 million mile battery they just announced, plus their new announcement, Battery Day is coming up. So they're going to they just announced that they're going to putting the semi truck in production, and they've got a whole host of new products coming, and also Gigafactory Berlin is just laid the foundation for that. So very exciting things coming for Tesla. So this is the beauty of it. You can just buy bits and pieces of Tesla, $10, $20. Remember, there's no fees with this app. $10, $20, $50 at a time, even on a daily basis if you want fractional. And you can just control it all from this app. I just absolutely love this app. And now if you're an investor and if you're Australian, you can do this. Even if you're from the UK, you can do this. You can use this app and become an investor from your phone buying US stocks. If you have any questions about this app, I know it's definitely for Australians. I know definitely the UK. People from the UK can use it. I don't know about other countries, but if you have a question, leave a comment below and I'll definitely answer it for you. I think it's a fantastic way to start getting into the US stock market and just literally do it from your smartphone. And you can do this literally anywhere in the world. Absolutely love it. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, or leave a big thumbs down if you didn't. Don't worry, all good, it's all love. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys.